Hi there, I'm Wright, a technician at 4x4 AT here in Leeming Bar. Today we're going to be showing you how to install a tailgate damper on the 2023 Ranger Raptor. And this is why you need one. These are the tools that you're going to need. 13mm spanner, 12mm spanner, 1/2 inch ratchet, have a 17mm socket, a 13mm socket, a T50, a T40, an impact driver, and of course our tailgate damper. Unboxing our damper, we have fitting instructions, our damper, fittings, our step bolt and collar, and finally our bracket. So we have everything unpacked. I'm going to start by mounting the bracket, which does have an R on it for the right hand side. So we have our 2 bolts, spring washers and a flat washer. Make sure that you're using the metal flat washer, as the plastic flat washer is for the damper. So we'll mount both our spring washers and flat washers. So we have 2 holes at the side of the bed here, and our bracket is just going to pick up off them. If you do have a liner, they're just behind the liner. You would have to unscrew a T30 from here, and you can fold the liner inwards and get to these holes. So we'll just mount our bracket. Just nip them up. So now we're going to remove the tailgate support cable to install our 17mm bolt with the collar, so our new bolt and our collar. To remove the support cable, all I'm going to do is use my knee to lift the tailgate up slightly, and then using a T45 I'm going to undo the bolt. Now on the back of there is a metal clip to keep everything together. We're going to remove that, and a small washer which is there as well, that needs to stay on. We're going to reuse that. So I'll pull our bolt out, keeping hold of the flat washer on the back. Pass our new one through, and our collar, our retaining clip. Now we're ready to fit the tailgate support. Again, I'm just going to lift the tailgate up slightly with my knee, and we're going to use this top hole, which is the pre-existing one. Just need to make sure this collar goes back in that slotted hole. Now we need to remove the existing bolt, which is at the front edge of this, closest to the truck, which is a T50. Now we can fit the lower half of the damper. Simply put the flat washer on the end, and now screw the nipple into the joint. Just nip that up nice and tight. Now we're ready to fit the top half of our damper. We have the 2 plastic washers and a C-clip. So one plastic washer goes on first, then our damper, and then one more plastic washer, and finally our C-clip. This completes the installation of the damper on a 2023 Raptor.